Hi everyone, welcome to this video today. My name is Anton, and you can just call me William. In this video today, I will show you the project that I have done in 6 weeks about analyzing reasons for customer churn in telecommunications service. In this project, although it's a group project, but I handled this by myself. And it's kind of challenge, but the lessons that I have learned in this school have been a lot. In this project overview, this project focuses on understanding why customers leave the telecommunications service by obtaining the insights and by insights in the data sets that I have analyzed. In the flows, I have content for big ideas. The first is data processes. It is a process, I call it a comprehensive customer data from the temperature on Kaggle, and then I use simple analysis and advanced method to clean data. The second one is customer building. I have also built some models such as the predictions churn rate model and CFP customer churn rate values calculations. And this first step, I present the finding and correlations between the data in Power BI by Power BI. And the last thing, I solve for you the solutions and the key findings that I have got into conclusions after I have analyzed, researched, and processing with the data. At first, how I clean the data. First, I handle missing values by replacing blanks with null and dropping complete rows. The total chart columns was converted to flow for numerical analysis. I group the data by contract type and by monthly trade range. For each group, I calculate the average churn rate using group by and mean, then responding result to separate CSV files, such as churn by contract and churn by child.cfs for use in later visualizations and interpretations. As you can see, it's not as complicated as you might think. In the advanced analysis, I segment this customer based on tenure and monthly transfer created a wanted buys based group using PDCAP. About 4 groups that I have created to this file. And so in the context, and then I use these SV files, then export it to a CSV file, then convert to and charge. In addition, I analyze the correlations between the numerical filter chart by using the Churn. On Saturday's numeric columns, the correlations were solved on the Power BI presentations that we show you later. And the advanced challenge building, I have built a churn rate prediction models. Predictions model using files. To estimate churn rate likelihoods, I built a classifications model using the random forest algorithm in Python. After cleaning and preparing the data, I perform a churn test link and training model to predict both churn rates. In the same PostScript as shown in this slide, I also estimate customer lifetime value using the formula CL customer lifetime value equal to the monthly charge times tenure. This approach assumes linear revenue stream from its customer over time. The calculations was applied to every customer in the dataset using Python and pandas. The recently simplified values were added as a new column to the datasets, allowing us to identify high-value customers, but early churn rate. it is Power BI free presentations. The presentations I have some new and specifically this board. First, you can see our churn rate and the trend in this telecommunications service is about one customer on four customers. And the most significant churn rate is based on the month-to-month contract. Is approximately equal to 0.5%. But in ED to monthly chart after a value chart that I have reviewed before, the customer type that has the lower money to pay for the telecommunication service is have a tendency to have a trend to churn. Is in the opposite side with the customer that pay a higher amount of money for this service, and the higher the amount of money, the lower the churn rate of all types of contract in general. And it is as you can see, this presentation is about correlations between feature and churn rates. And I have found that the monthly charge and paid freelance billings are the two most significant effect on the negative size of the churn rate to support churn rate to become higher. And the most testable and honest securities is the two features that have to decline the churn rate. And this is the presentations of the CFV because the CFV and based on churn probabilities and the churn rate predictions. And as you can see, this is the model that how I link each table in CFV file to main file CFV to create a relationships between each tables. And in this version, the coordinates churn rate, I have two tables, but I didn't connect it to the main table because I divided it as an independently table, and it has no correlations with this two case. And the key findings that I have found that the most negative features about for the churn rates is that monthly charge and paperless billing account for about 0.91 and 0.9 respectively in correlations with customer churn rate. This means customers may feel they are not getting enough value for the price they are paying and are not used to digital communications. The second one, the most positive features that I found is that online securities, test support, and online backup show the strongest negative correlations with churn. This means that customers who are using this value-added service tend to be more loyal and satisfied. The third thing is that multiple lines for service channel streaming TV since do not affect too much on the churn rate and can be defined as non-necessary factors to be analyzed. Moves on to the next step. Churn rate contract. The multiple contract has a higher churn rate with about 0.43 was the correlations. It can be due to the lack of engagement of customers during the contract period. The churn rate by tenure and monthly charge show a different trend. Customers with short tenure and high monthly charge have the highest churn rate, while those with longer tenure and lower charge were more likely to stay. This highlights the importance of improving the early-stage customer experience and pricing strategies for high-value newcomers. The overall churn in this project I saw is about 26.54% of customers had churned, about 1.87k revenues, while this indicates that more than 1 in 4 customers like this service. Highlighting a significant churn issue that requires targeting and further campaign to reduce. In the solutions I have made for solutions for this company suggest the first thing is targeted digital marketing for senior customers. The senior citizens have a higher tendencies to churn. Telecom providers should design some digital communications campaign. Digital campaign. It is to tell to this group. This may include similar message, personalized support channel, and awareness of service relative or digital engagement. This second method is flexible billing cycles for the tenant to include that who may feel the value they are getting is not equal to the price they are paying. By dividing bills into smaller one, more frequent payment cycle. This